Hello everyone, welcome to the second class of Python programming. So today we are gonna learn about variables, what are variables and how to use them. So let's get started with a short definition of variable. I hope you all know that what are variables, but let's discuss something. You can say variable is a temporary storage where you can save data. Let's take an example. What is variable? Let's say x is a variable, okay? And because variables save some information, some data in it, so that we can save any value or assign any value to the variable which is x. Okay, this is a sign of assignment. Okay, when we assign any value to the variable, we use this assignment operator. Let's assign a string to the x. We have coded this in the last class, so let's take the same one. Hello Python programmers, and just paste it here. And okay, now print x. Let's see what will be the output. Hello Python programmers, output is the same, but here what we have done, we used variable x and saved this value, hello Python programmers, to this variable. Okay, we don't use quotation mark here because x is not a string, x is a variable, and hello Python programmer is a string which is saved to the variable x. Let's take another example. Okay guys, please concentrate because while coding we will discuss some rules also which you will have to remember. Okay, programming language. Okay, print x. What do you think, what will happen and what will be the output? Run programming language. Again, print x. See, hello Python programmers, what is happening here? Here x is small and here x is capital, so this is case sensitive. A small letter can never be equal to the capital letter. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If we assign a value to the variable to which we have already assigned a value, like we already assigned a value to this x. Now let's say future programmers, print x. Run future programmers. Okay, so this is a rule number 2. Rule number 1 was this is case sensitive, a small letter can never be equal to the capital letter. Rule number 2 is when we already assigned a value to a variable, if we assign another value to the same variable, the value will be replaced. Like we have assigned our string hello Python programmer to the x, then we again assign another string future programmers to the same variable x. So what happened? This value has replaced the first one. Okay, so the second value will replace the first value. Okay, hope this is clear to you guys. Let's move to another example or another rule. Name 1 Tom, name 2 Riddle. Print name 1 run, print name 2 run. But what if we want to run the both variables in the same line? So we use print parenthesis name 1 plus name 2. Run it, see what happened. Tom Riddle. If we want a space between the two names, you can write it as print name 1 plus, we have to use a string here, a string for space. We have given a space between these quotation marks, then again plus name 2. Let's see what will be the output. Tom Riddle. Okay, this method is called concatenation. Okay, because we are concatenating one variable with another variable, also we are using a string. Okay, so that's why this method is called concatenation. Let's move to the another example. Okay, let's say we have a variable name 1 abc 1 abc, let's say xyz. I'm just giving an example. Print 1 abc, see what will be the output. Syntax error. Do you know why there is an error? Because we start the variable name with a number. So remember this rule number 3, that we cannot start a variable name with a number. So let's remove the number and see what will happen. See, xyz. Okay, so rule number 1 was, this is case sensitive. Rule number 2 was, if we assign a value to the variable to which we have already assigned a value, then the second value will replace the first one. And rule number 3 is, yes, we cannot start a variable name with any number or any symbol. Other name, let's assign a value to this Guido van Rossum. Print other name. Okay, and run it. Invalid syntax. The reason is we cannot have any space between variable name. Run it. Sorry. Run. Get the one Rossum. Okay. So this is the rule number 4. Variable cannot have any spaces. Maybe you have heard about it. Hashtag Camel Case. Let's see what is Camel Case. Camel Case is basically when we write a variable name like other, the first word of a variable is in small letters and the first letter of the second word, like name, the first letter of the second word, which is N, is capital in Camel Case. And other name with the one Rossum case, same, take the same other name because other is same. Print author other name. Run with the one Rossum. Okay, this is called Camel Case. This is the rule to write variables. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me. I will definitely guide you. And okay, last thing is you can name a variable whatever you want. Okay? And remember all 5 rules. So we'll meet you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep programming. Bye.